The Bose Music app makes it easy to control the new family of Bose smart speakers. In this video, we'll help you adjust the sound of your system. Open the Bose Music app and then select the system you would like to adjust. In our case, a Bose Soundbar 500. Before making changes, start playing audio so you can hear the effects of your adjustments in real time. Okay, now tap the product controls icon in the lower left corner of the screen, and then tap Audio. The audio settings presented will vary by product. Our first option is to run an Adapt IQ test. Beneath that is the dialogue mode setting. Turning this on will improve the clarity of people's voices. Next, we have the option to increase or decrease the levels for the center channel, bass, and treble. The center channel primarily plays dialogue in a surround sound system. If voices are hard to hear, raising the volume of the center channel may help. And finally, we have sync and delay options for when playing audio through a TV. Once you're happy with your settings, tap the X in the top left corner of the screen. If you would like to make changes to another system, tap the My Bose icon and then repeat the same steps. That's it. For additional support, visit our website.